If you are still booking clients manually, replying to messages, fixing calendar conflicts, or losing money from no-shows, this video might save you hours every week. What if your business could accept bookings, take payments, send reminders, and manage clients automatically 24/7 without monthly fees? Today I am reviewing Appointments by DotcomPal, and I will show you exactly what it does, who it is for, and whether it is worth buying right now. Here is the short answer. Appointments by DotcomPal is a powerful all-in-one appointment booking and CRM system designed for service businesses, agencies, and marketers who want automation without complexity. If you want to replace tools like Calendly, Stripe, reminder software, and basic CRMs with one dashboard and a one-time price, this is a strong option. It is not for people looking for a simple calendar only. It is for people who want automation, payments, and scalability. Appointments by DotcomPal is a cloud-based appointment booking platform that lets you book clients automatically, accept payments at booking, send email and SMS reminders, manage clients with a built-in CRM, create branded booking pages, run multi-provider and team calendars. This is built for coaches and consultants, agencies and freelancers, local businesses like clinics, salons, and trainers, marketers who want to sell booking systems as a service. The biggest problem it solves is this: manual scheduling, missed appointments, too many tools, and expensive monthly subscriptions.
Coaches, consultants, service providers, and agencies. Have you ever wished you could run your entire client booking business without the chaos of calls, messages, or back and forth scheduling? No missed appointments, no calendar confusion, no stress. Introducing DotcomPal Appointments, the revolutionary AI-powered appointments and CRM system. Not just a booking tool, not just another calendar app, but your complete business automation system. Book, confirm, remind, manage, all in one place. Imagine running a business where clients book you 24/7. Payments come in automatically, reminders go out instantly, and your entire CRM updates itself, all powered by AI. All right, let's get started with a quick demo. Once you log into your DotcomPal Appointments account, you're welcomed into a clean, modern, and incredibly powerful interface that brings your entire appointment business to your fingertips. Everything you need from CRM to selling to automations is right here, beautifully organized. Your appointments dashboard gives you a complete, real-time snapshot of your business performance. At the top, you'll instantly see your core business stats, total contacts, deal value, orders, revenue, all filterable for any date range you choose. Just below, your Today's Appointments section keeps you on track with all upcoming sessions, whether individual or group, complete with quick join buttons for instant access. You'll also see today's high-priority tasks, your newest contacts, latest orders, and even your full sales pipeline, showing lead progress from new deal all the way to closed one. Plus quick training videos, webinars, and a refer and earn program to ensure you're always equipped and supported. On the left panel, everything is structured into clear, powerful modules that help you run your entire digital business from one place. CRM that help you to manage your contacts, companies, lists, tags, pipeline deals, orders, transactions, appointments, message center, tasks, everything related to your online presence. Pages, design, blog, templates, your complete commerce engine products, offers coupons, orders, transactions, market, your marketing automation, hub automations, forms, analytics, track deep insights across audience, contacts, sales pages, more extra power apps, including My Drive integrations. A PI, you get everything you need to build and scale a highly automated appointment business all in one place. At the top, you'll find Business Switcher, perfect for users managing multiple brands or client accounts. Help for instant guidance notifications, keep yourself updated so nothing slips through the cracks. Account Profile, where you manage your preferences, billing, team, and more. It's fast, intuitive, and built for productivity. To make sure you never miss a step, DotcomPal gives you a guided checklist to launch, grow, and manage your appointment business. It walks you through setting up your domain, completing your business profile, showcasing your appointment services, creating offers, and launching your website, managing your customers in CRM. Each task comes with a simple action button, so even complete beginners can set everything up in minutes. Now, let's create your very first appointment product. Go to Sell Products, Add Product, and choose Booking. A pop-up appears where you'll name your product and choose whether it will be free or paid. Click Continue, and you'll enter the complete booking product creator. About booking here, you define the core identity of your service by adding product name, description, images. Up to 5 tags everything your clients need to understand what you offer, type, and location. This is where appointments becomes incredibly flexible. You can choose session type, individual, group, session duration, for example, 30, 45, 60, or 90 minutes buffer time, add time before or after appointments. Automatically location options, in-person, virtual, both. In virtual meeting settings, select your meeting platform. Once you click on Connect Meeting Platform, you'll be taken to the Integrations dashboard. Here, open the All drop-down and select Bookings, and then click on Integrate under the Zoom option. DotcomPal will ask for 3 Zoom credentials: client ID, account ID, and client secret. Fill the details and save it. Now your Zoom account will be successfully integrated with DotcomPal, or your own custom link. Agent assignment: assign this booking to a department, an agent, a team member, perfect for agents, coaching teams, or businesses with multiple consultants. Availability: here, you set your working hours across the week, enable or disable days, add unlimited time slots, add multiple time windows per day. DotcomPal ensures customers can only book when you're truly available. Once you're ready, click Publish, and your appointment product is officially live. Next, let's make your appointment bookable and sellable. Go to Sell Offers, Create New Offer. This is where you define the pricing and customer purchasing experience. About offer: here, you can add offer name, offer images, description, category, pricing. Choose your pricing model. Free, perfect for free consultations. One-time payment. Add regular price, sale price, optional, trial time / dime sale, coupons. Recurring, great for subscription-based coaching or consolation programs. Checkout: preview your entire checkout experience. Before publishing the offer, connect your payment gateway by clicking Connect Payment Gateway and pasting the required keys into the relevant fields. Once saved, the integration will be active. DotcomPal automatically includes the appointment date selector inside checkout. You can also add bump offers, helping you increase your average order value instantly. Once ready, click Publish, and your offer is now live and ready to sell. Next, open the drag and drop editor to build your page with headlines, text, images, and other elements. Once your page is ready, simply drag and drop the checkout form onto it and publish the page. Take a moment to preview the result. You'll see a smooth, intuitive experience designed for your visitors. From here, they can book their session directly by selecting a preferred date and time and entering the required details. Once completed, they'll be seamlessly redirected to the payment gateway, where they can securely fill in their credentials and complete the purchase. After a successful payment, a confirmation email is instantly sent. Every customer gets access to your fully branded members area, and when they open their booking, they see a beautifully structured booking details page. Booking confirmed, banner, date, time, session duration, join via meeting link, actions, buttons to join, reschedule, or cancel to manage it, plus full preparation instructions and a chat support button. It delivers a smooth, professional client experience from start to finish. Every customer gets their meeting link instantly after purchase inside their email and inside their portal. Now, the moment someone books an appointment, DotcomPal automatically captures that lead inside your powerful built-in CRM. From here, you can efficiently manage everything: your bookings, your clients, and even one-to-one communication, all from a single dashboard. No spreadsheets, no manual follow-ups, and no switching between tools. So that's a complete overview of DotcomPal appointments. With appointments, you're not just scheduling calls. You're building a fully automated appointment selling machine that books clients on autopilot, takes payments, instantly generates Zoom/Meet links, automatically sends reminders and follow-ups, manages your calendar, delivers an amazing client experience, and helps you scale effortlessly, all without tech hassles, all inside one beautiful platform. And without paying monthly fees. Once again, I'm Dr. Amit Parikh. With entire DotcomPal team, I thank you for joining me today. I'll see you inside the members area, where your appointment business success story begins. Cheers.
Once you log in, everything is inside one clean dashboard. First, you set up your services. You choose appointment types, durations, pricing, and availability. Next, you connect your calendar. Google Calendar or any major calendar system syncs automatically, so double bookings are eliminated. Then you customize your booking pages. You can add your logo, brand colors, intake forms, and service descriptions using a drag-and-drop editor. Payments are next. You can connect Stripe, PayPal, Square, or Authorize.net and collect deposits or full payments before the appointment. After that, automation kicks in. The system sends instant confirmations, reminder emails, and follow-ups automatically. You also get a full CRM. Every client has a profile with booking history, notes, and payment records. Everything runs in the background while your business works on autopilot.
Hello marketers, business or agency owners. Are you tired of losing clients to endless back and forth emails and missed appointments? What if you could accept bookings and payments, manage clients 24/7 automatically without lifting a finger? Introducing Appointments by DotcomPal, the game-changer all-in-one appointment booking and CRM system that runs your entire business on complete autopilot. Book clients, take payments, send reminders, manage customers, all automated, all in one place. For decades, appointment booking has been one of the proven and most trusted ways to generate sales, build client relationships, and brand authority. Here's the truth that you're missing. Studies show automated reminders reduce no-shows by 80%. Online booking systems increase appointments by 53%. 84% of service providers using automated booking hit revenue targets. While you're stuck with manual scheduling, smart business owners are automating everything and scaling fast. Having automated appointment systems has consistently proven to be the most effective way to achieve business growth, time freedom, and consistent revenue. But here's the problem. Building a professional booking system used to mean paying $8,000, $12,000 to developers and designers, dealing with complex calendar integrations, monthly subscription fees that never stop, technical headaches with no guarantee it works. No wonder most service providers give up before starting. But not anymore. With 18+ years of experience serving 120,000+ customers worldwide, we've created something revolutionary. DotcomPal Appointments lets anyone launch a professional appointment business in minutes. No monthly fees, no technical skills, no complicated setup. It works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up your appointments and availability. Choose from ready-made templates. Add your business details in one click. Step 2. Customize and brand. Drag and drop your logo, colors, and booking forms. 0 tech skills are needed. Step 3. Publish and profit. Go live instantly. Accept bookings 24/7, get paid automatically, and manage everything on autopilot. With Appointments, you will get power-packed features that help you to launch. AI Booking Assistant. Entire booking system in minutes. Professional booking templates. Launch any niche instantly. Smart calendar integration. Sync Google, Outlook, iCal seamlessly. Automated reminders. Reduce no-shows by 80%. Built-in payments. Accept Stripe, PayPal, Square instantly. Create once. Embed everywhere. It's that simple. Powerful CRM. Manage every client relationship from lead to sales. Team management. Handle multiple providers. Mobile responsive. Perfect on every device. Analytics and reports. Track customers, bookings, and revenue. Commercial license included. Sell to unlimited clients, and 50+ more powerful features to enterprise level. Effortlessly transform any business into a powerful sales and customer relationship machine with the included commercial license. So you can tap into the $284 billion freelancing industry, which means you can create and sell booking systems to other businesses. Agencies are charging $1,000 to $3,000 per setup for appointment booking and CRM systems. Imagine landing just 3 clients per month at $1,500 each. That's $4,500 in monthly revenue, $54,000 per year. And you can deliver these systems in minutes instead of weeks with DotcomPal Appointments and keep 100% of the profits. Even complete beginners can start earnings like professional agencies. If you provide services, DotcomPal Appointments is your transformation tool that works for every service business like coaches and consultants, medical practitioners, therapists, lawyers and accountants, personal trainers, salon owners, real estate agents, financial advisors, wedding planners, photographers, tutors, marketing agencies. The choice is yours. Lead with DotcomPal Appointments. Automate bookings, grow revenue 24/7, or stick to manual scheduling while competitors scale past you. Would you rather spend hours playing calendar ping pong or have a system that books, confirms, and manages everything automatically so you focus on serving clients and growing your business? Don't miss this launch deal. Right now, grab DotcomPal Appointments at the lowest price ever. After launch, it moves to a monthly subscription costing hundreds per month, forever. But today, lock in lifetime access for one low payment. Pay once, use forever. Plus, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? Stop losing money to calendar chaos. Stop missing appointments. Stop watching competitors automate while you fall behind. Click below to get appointments now at the lowest one-time price ever. Lock in lifetime access today. Build your booking empire tomorrow. Good luck and see you inside.
Here is a quick breakdown of the funnel. Front end, Kickstart plan at around $37. This gives you the core booking system and automation. Order bump, DFY appointment site for under $15. This is a done-for-you setup and premium support add-on. OTO1, Fast Pass, available monthly around $37 or yearly around $230. This unlocks ultimate, agency, and enterprise features. OTO2, Mega Bundle deal at around $127 one time. This includes access to over 20 premium apps. There is also a full bundle option around $267 that includes everything. If you pick up appointments by DotcomPal through the link below, you also get exclusive bonuses designed to help you get results faster. Here are some of the key bonuses. Bonus 1, Web P Swift. Speed up your website and reduce bounce rates. Bonus 2, Lead Book Generator. Automatically send Facebook leads to your email list. Bonus 3, Web P Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and pages to boost conversions. Bonus 4, Keyword Research 9ta. Find profitable keywords from Google, YouTube, Amazon, and more. Bonus 5, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better search engine rankings. Bonus 6, Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic and drive free visitors. Bonus 7, Client Extractor. Pull local business leads directly from Google Maps. Bonus 8, Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A complete video course on building affiliate income. Bonus 9, Conversion Equalizer. Improve conversion rates on ads and pages. Bonus 10, Webinar Delivery Blueprint. Learn how to sell products and services using webinars. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price of the product, and they are included free when you use the link below. So here is the bottom line. Appointments by DotcomPal is a solid all-in-one booking and CRM system that removes manual work, reduces no-shows, and helps you look professional instantly. If you run a service business or want to build an agency around booking systems, this tool can pay for itself quickly. The bonuses are limited and may expire soon, and the price is expected to increase after launch. If you want the full system plus the bonus stock, click the link below now before this deal ends. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have questions. Check the description below, click the link, and secure appointments by DotcomPal along with the exclusive bonuses before they're gone. See you in the next video.